ganda ng spring roll. Dapat spring roll.
Order ka nga ng Coke. Parang ang sarap ng potato.
Alam mo na kami dito ng wala nang makikita dito ako
Hindi ka na?
ng Coke.
Ah, sige.
Super kasi ako sa Coke. Sabi ko,
Okay. Ngayon lang naman eh.
ako kasi hindi ngayon nila.
Kuha naman yan. Okay na. Jackie Chow. Go from go.
Although I'm going to
Mahal yan sa parang hindi ka makakalabas dito, no?
dito ka, doon ka, daan ka sa dyan sa labas. Tapos
Dito ka doon.
pama naman sa cruise, ang video mo pag ganito. Cinematic, 360 degrees.
Trip, our staff will standing around for serving you. So if you need anything, you can inform to our staff as well. Also, that's train for the trip. We have the Jenny restaurants in here, just in case if they couldn't understand you in English at all. I will be the person come to you make clear with you. Before we are boarding for you for today, I will give you the information for you for the whole trip. The first information will be the safety on board first. No smoking inside your cabin. The smoking areas allow your private balcony. Right now we are staying on the second floor.
Ano ba to? 0.5 po. Anak. Tapos malis. Kasi sa alas na.